This Century 21 The Real Estate Center property video is presented by Heather Kinlane. Stake out your own little piece of tranquility in the rolling hills of Manchester with no homeowners association. Located on a quiet street. Situated on 3 acres, this home has all the peace of country living yet is just a short drive to the conveniences of Westminster and PA. Some major updates have already been taken care of. New roof and a new well. This 3-bedroom, 2 full-bath split foyer boasts a lower-level sunroom, attached 2-car garage, Anderson windows throughout, and a freshly painted deck. The master bedroom offers 2 closets, no more sharing closet space. The second bedroom equipped with another large closet adjoins the main level bath, which offers plenty of room. The lower level greets you with an open family room, wood-burning fireplace, hearth even has its own little wood nook for storing firewood and the attached sunroom. The only thing missing is you. For more information